Managing a hotel or any accommodation facility is a complex task. There are a wide range of activities to carry out, remember, improve, and it's easy to get confused. This is why it's important to choose a complete and intuitive property management software able to support you in daily activities. Here's why you should choose Welcome. Simple at its name. Welcome allows you to organize all hotel departments, rooms, restaurants, conference rooms, but also bars and warehouses, swimming pools, beaches, and any other common space. The integrated reservation system allows you to manage the information published on your website or online portals from a single screen, upload images and room descriptions, add offers of extras, and of course, simplifies the booking process. Payments take place in a secure and certified environment. Welcome is also equipped with an integrated CRM that allows you to prepare quotations, manage customer profiles, and all information needed to carry out marketing activities, such as newsletters and customized promotional communications. Tools for rate strategy optimization and revenue management are also available. Welcome can be used in a cloud or any device, fixed or mobile. The integrated app can be configured differently for managers, maintenance, housekeepers, and the rest of the stuff. Simplifying is used at any time. Every moment is important to make a difference. Color your business with Welcome. Passepartout. Business Evolution.